To install an RT14 totalizer onto a FLOMEC oval gear meter with pulse output, start by removing the 4mm bolts securing the PPS cap to the meter. Remove the terminal block from the meter. Then, remove the 4 Phillips head screws securing the face of the RT14 to the totalizer body and remove the totalizer face from the rear enclosure. Install the rear enclosure of the RT14 to the meter cover plate using the supplied O-ring and bolts. Ensure the O-ring is not pinched. Next, wire your terminal block to the appropriate output, either reed switch, Hall effect, or quadrature using 26-gauge wire. Your oval gear meter owner's manual will contain the relevant wiring diagram for your configuration. Reconnect your oval gear meter terminal block to the oval gear meter PCB. Wire the oval gear meter terminal block to the RT14 terminal block. Reference your RT14 owner's manual for the applicable wiring diagrams. Finally, reinstall the RT14 display onto its rear enclosure using the original screws. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing FLOMEC.